Butterflies are like tiny pieces of flying art. They come in so many colors and patterns. Butterflies are not just beautiful, they are important for our world. They help flowers grow by taking pollen from one flower to another. But butterflies need our help. Their homes are disappearing as we build more houses and roads. We can help butterflies by making our yards into butterfly habitats. A habitat is a place where animals and plants can live and grow. Your yard can be a safe place for butterflies to eat, rest, and lay eggs. It's easy and fun to make a butterfly habitat, and your help can make a big difference for these amazing creatures. Let's learn how to bring more butterflies to your backyard. Creating a butterfly habitat is like building a tiny amusement park for butterflies. Imagine a place where these delicate creatures can flutter around freely, enjoying the vibrant colors and sweet scents of the flowers you've planted just for them. Here's how to get started on this delightful project. Step 1. Choose a sunny spot. Butterflies love sunshine. They need the warmth to fly and thrive, so pick an area in your yard that gets plenty of sunlight throughout the day. Pick an area in your yard that gets lots of sun each day. This will be the perfect spot for your butterfly garden. Step 2. Plant flowers that butterflies love. Butterflies are attracted to brightly colored flowers with sweet nectar. These flowers not only provide food but also add beauty to your garden. Butterflies love brightly colored flowers with sweet nectar. Think of flowers like zinnias, coneflowers, and butterfly bushes. These are some of their favorites. Plant flowers like zinnias, coneflowers, and butterfly bushes. These plants will attract butterflies and provide them with the nourishment they need. Step 3. Provide a water source. Butterflies get thirsty too. A shallow dish filled with water and some stones will do the trick. Place a shallow dish filled with water and some stones in your habitat. The stones give butterflies a safe place to land while they drink. Butterflies can land on the stones and drink water safely. This simple addition can make a big difference in their well-being. Step 4. Give them shelter. Butterflies need places to hide from wind and rain. Tall grasses and shrubs can provide the perfect hiding spots. Butterflies need places to hide from wind and rain. Planting some shrubs or tall grasses in your habitat will give them the shelter they need. Plant some shrubs or tall grasses in your habitat to give them shelter. This will help protect them from harsh weather conditions. You can also add a butterfly house. These small structures provide additional shelter and can be a charming addition to your garden. Having a butterfly habitat in your yard is not only good for butterflies, it's good for you and the environment too. Here's why: more butterflies. When you create a habitat specifically for butterflies, you are inviting these delicate and beautiful creatures into your space. You'll see more of these beautiful creatures fluttering around your yard, bringing life and color to your garden. Their presence can transform an ordinary garden into a vibrant, living canvas. Help the environment. By providing a habitat for butterflies, you're helping to conserve these important pollinators. Butterflies, along with bees, play a crucial role in pollinating plants. Without them, many of the plants we rely on for food and beauty would struggle to reproduce. Pollinators are essential for a healthy environment and help our fruits, vegetables, and flowers grow. By supporting them, you are contributing to the overall health of the ecosystem. Enjoy nature up close. A butterfly habitat gives you a chance to observe butterflies up close and learn about their fascinating life cycle. Watching a butterfly emerge from its chrysalis is a magical experience that can teach us about transformation and growth. Create a beautiful garden. Butterfly habitats are full of colorful flowers and plants, making your yard a beautiful and inviting space. The variety of plants needed to attract butterflies also adds diversity and interest to your garden, creating a more dynamic and engaging environment. Creating a butterfly habitat is a win-win situation for everyone. Not only do you get to enjoy the beauty and serenity of butterflies, but you also play a part in preserving these incredible creatures for future generations. You can make a difference for butterflies and enjoy the many benefits they bring to your yard. So, start planting those butterfly-friendly flowers and watch your garden come to life with color and movement. Section 4. Join the flutter. Create your own butterfly haven. Now that you know how to create a butterfly habitat and the amazing benefits they bring, it's time to take action. You don't need a huge yard to make a difference. Even a small butterfly garden can provide a safe haven for these important pollinators. Start by choosing a sunny spot in your yard, plant some butterfly-friendly flowers, and provide a water source. You can gradually add more elements to your habitat, like host plants for caterpillars and shelter options. Every little bit helps. By creating a butterfly habitat, you're not only helping to conserve these beautiful creatures, but you're also creating a more beautiful and biodiverse world around you. Section 5. Spreading our wings, sharing the joy of butterflies. Creating a butterfly habitat is even more rewarding when you share the experience with others. Invite your friends, family, and neighbors to join you in this exciting endeavor. You can organize a butterfly garden planting party, share your knowledge about butterfly-friendly plants, or simply invite others to enjoy the beauty of your butterfly haven. By spreading the word and inspiring others, you can create a ripple effect of positive change for butterflies and the environment. Remember, every effort counts. Together, we can make a difference for butterflies and ensure that these beautiful creatures continue to grace our gardens for generations to come. Section 6. A garden for all seasons, keeping your habitat thriving. Once you've created your butterfly haven, it's important to keep it healthy and inviting for butterflies year-round. A thriving habitat not only attracts butterflies, but also supports their life cycle, from caterpillar to adult butterfly. Here are some tips for maintaining your butterfly habitat. Regular care and attention can make a significant difference in the health and vibrancy of your garden. Water your plants regularly, especially during dry periods, to ensure they stay healthy and vibrant. Consistent watering helps plants to develop strong roots and produce more flowers, which in turn provides more nectar for butterflies. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage new blooms and keep your garden looking its best. Removing old flowers prevents plants from wasting energy on seed production and instead focuses on creating new blossoms. Avoid using pesticides or herbicides in your butterfly habitat, as these chemicals can be harmful to butterflies and other beneficial insects. Instead, opt for natural pest control methods, such as introducing ladybugs or using neem oil. Provide a variety of nectar sources by planting flowers that bloom at different times of the year. This diversity ensures that butterflies have access to food throughout their active seasons. This ensures a continuous food supply for butterflies throughout the seasons. Different species of butterflies may prefer different types of flowers, so variety is key. Add a layer of mulch around your plants to help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and provide a more hospitable environment for butterflies. Mulch also helps to regulate soil temperature, keeping it cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Consider adding a small pond or bird bath to your butterfly habitat to attract other wildlife and create a more diverse ecosystem. Water sources are essential for butterflies to drink and cool off, especially during hot days. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can ensure that your butterfly habitat remains a thriving sanctuary for these beautiful creatures for years to come. A well-maintained garden not only benefits butterflies, but also brings joy and beauty to your outdoor space. Section 7. Thank you for being friends of butterflies. Thank you for taking the time to learn about butterflies and how to create a habitat for them in your own yard. By taking action, you are playing a vital role in the conservation of these beautiful and important creatures. Remember, even small actions can make a big difference. By planting a few butterfly-friendly flowers, providing a source of water, and creating a welcoming space for butterflies to thrive, you are contributing to a healthier planet for all. Let's continue to work together to protect butterflies and ensure that future generations can enjoy their beauty and wonder. Thank you for being a friend of butterflies. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.